Hello, dear students. Today we are going to talk about oceans. Open your books at page 38. Exercise 1. You are to name the oceans. What are they?
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
How much of the Earth's surface do they cover?
Oceans cover around 70% of the Earth's surface.
Which is the smallest ocean? Which is the largest ocean?
The smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean and the largest is the Pacific Ocean.
Before reading the text, let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them and write down in your vocabularies.
Breeze, cover, flood, join, make up,
monsoon,
mountain range,
volcanic activity,
Now, let's watch the video.
Earth's oceans. There are 5 major oceans that make up our planet. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It also has the deepest waters. The Mariana Trench is 11,304 meters deep and 2,250 kilometers long. The Pacific Ocean has very bad weather. Many bad storms form out in the open ocean every year. There is also a lot of volcanic activity in the ocean. There are many small volcanic islands, such as Hawaii, Tonga, and Samoa. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Under the Atlantic Ocean lies a mountain range called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Indian Ocean is smaller than the Atlantic. It usually has gentle breezes. However, from the months of April to October, monsoons form over the ocean. They carry a lot of rain into India that causes terrible floods. The Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean. It is a very cold ocean. Because it is near Antarctica, ice covers much of the ocean in winter. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of all 5 oceans. It isn't as deep as any of the other oceans, but it is one of the coldest oceans. Ice covers the central part of the ocean all year round. Whales, polar bears, walruses and seals rely on the freezing waters and ice of the Arctic to survive.
In exercise 2, you are to read the text again and answer the questions. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Which oceans are covered in ice? Parts of the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean are covered in ice. How big is the Atlantic Ocean? The Atlantic Ocean is 82 million square kilometers. In which ocean can we find volcanoes? We can find volcanoes in the Pacific Ocean. What is the deepest area of the Pacific Ocean called? The deepest area of the Pacific Ocean is called the Mariana Trench. In which ocean is Hawaii? Hawaii is in the Pacific Ocean. What is under the Atlantic Ocean? Under the Atlantic Ocean, there is a mountain range called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Which ocean has lots of rain for half the year? The Indian Ocean has lots of rain for half the year. In exercise 3, you are to say 2 things you remember about each ocean. Please listen to the examples.
The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean and has a lot of volcanic islands. There is a mountain range under the Atlantic Ocean, and it is the second largest ocean. The Indian Ocean usually has gentle breezes, but for half the year it has lots of rain. The Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean, and it's very cold. Much of the Arctic Ocean is covered in ice, and it isn't as deep as the other oceans.
And now your task is to collect information about the 5 oceans. Prepare a quiz or a short presentation. You can use the keyword oceans. Look at the model. What is another name of the Southern Ocean? The Antarctic Ocean. How many months of the year is the Arctic Ocean covered in snow? 10 months. How many kilometers is coastline does the Indian Ocean have? 66,526 kilometers. What type of severe weather happens a lot in the Atlantic Ocean? Hurricanes. What natural resources does the Pacific Ocean have? Oil and gas fields. Now you are to make your own quiz.